In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new email in list in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, create a new contact, and place that contact into the right list so they're ready for your campaigns and automations. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. This connects your Google account to Brevo for a quick, secure login. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, that's fine. Just follow your usual login flow and proceed to the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the CRM option on the main navigation. Click it to enter Brevo's customer relationship area. This is where your contacts, lists, and related details are managed. From here, go to Contacts. Think of contacts as the central directory of people you communicate with, and lists as the groups that organize those people for segmentation, campaigns, and automation. Next, click Create a Contact to open the new contact form. You'll see fields for basic information. Start with the first name. Enter it as you'd like it to appear in personalization. Consistent capitalization helps your emails look polished. Then enter the last name. Even if you don't always use last names, adding it now gives you cleaner records and better filtering later. Now type the email address for the new contact. Take a moment to double check spelling here. The email is the unique identifier in most mailing tools, and a small typo can prevent your messages from reaching the right person. Scroll to the list section and open the drop-down. This is where you decide which list the new contact will belong to. Choosing the correct list is important because it determines who receives your targeted messages and which automations will apply. Select the list you want to add the contact to. If your team uses a naming convention for lists, like by product line, region, or funnel stage, use that to keep everything organized and easy to filter later. When everything looks good, click Create. Brevo will save the contact and immediately associate them with the selected list. If the email already exists in your account, you may see a notice about duplicates. In that case, review the existing record to avoid confusion and keep your database clean. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to CRM and contacts, created a new contact with first name, last name, and email, selected the right list, and clicked Create. You can always return to this contact to add more details, tags, or attributes as your relationship grows. Thanks for watching and happy sending.